Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're tackling a hot topic. Will AI replace all jobs? The truth? It's a bit of both. AI is indeed transforming the job market. It's automating repetitive tasks, making some jobs redundant. This is especially true in sectors like manufacturing and data entry. But here's the other side of the coin. AI is also creating new jobs. Roles like AI specialists, data scientists, and AI ethicists didn't exist a few years ago. Plus, AI can't replace jobs requiring creativity, critical thinking, and human touch. So, while AI is changing the job landscape, it's not about to leave us all jobless. It's more about adaptation and learning new skills. Keep learning with us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit like and share to spread the knowledge. Thanks for watching.